Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by finding the original audio you want. Open Instagram, navigate to the reel or post with that sound, and tap the audio name or waveform to open the audio page. Once done, make sure the audio shows the option to add to story. Some clips are restricted by creator settings. If you see the three-dot menu, tap it to check sharing permissions. This step gets you directly into Instagram's audio flow, so you can attach the original sound to your story immediately. Tap Add to Story or use audio to bring the sound into the Story Composer. This imports the clip with a selectable start point. Once in Composer, trim the audio to the desired segment and adjust the volume. Music versus original post audio, so your voice or effects balance correctly. Then layer visuals, record or import video, add stickers, text, or camera capture. Position elements so captions don't block waveform or any interactive sticker. Make these choices now, because they define. Preview your story to confirm audio sync, then choose who sees it, close friends or everyone, and tap share or your story. Once posted, save to highlights if you want persistent access. If the original audio isn't available when tapping the audio page, update Instagram and try again. Clear app cache or log out and back in. As a fallback, screen record the audio from the reel, trim it outside Instagram, then upload the recording to your story. Only use that if permissions allow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.